Hello everyone, Tavi Ginario here. I'm a classical guitarist, and here are 7 tips that you could start implementing today and improve your classical guitar playing immediately. Secondly, it's not just enough to play with good quality tone, but what's cool about the guitar is that you could apply a variety of tonal colors to this instrument. Andres Segovia, the great Spanish master, said that the guitar is like a small orchestra that we behold through the reverse side of binoculars. So it's really important to vary the tonal colors, to be able to play with dolce, with sweet, dark sound, and then also to be able to vary that with a brighter ponticello sound. Or, for example, let's take Torija by Federico Moreno Toroba. Ponticello, ponticello. Dolce, even sweeter. Ponticello. You hear all those colors. They are so beautiful. It makes for such an interesting listening experience. You are constantly surprising people with colors as you change the hand position and the angle position. Now, careful, in order to change the tone, you don't necessarily need to make this kind of real estate move on the guitar, but you could also simply change the angle at which you pluck the string. So if you pluck outward, just with a nail, you get a kind of a thin, bright sound, which could be desirable in some situations, but then as you change the angle of your pluck and the trajectory of your pluck, it changes also the tonal colors. As you pluck upward or towards your wrist, the sound is darker. As you pluck outward, the sound is brighter. So, here's another example. Ponticello. Okay, so apply different colors, paint with different tonal colors, give people imagery of what the guitar can do. It is a charming instrument and capable of so many colors. Don't be stuck in one place the entire piece. If you have enjoyed this video, drop us a comment and check out eliteguitarist.com. On that site I have tons of courses and repertoire tutorials, and I invite you to dive with me in this wonderful world that the classical guitar is. In the meantime, cheers and press on, everybody.